morning, friends. How are you? I hope you all are fine. In the previous online session, we learnt about gametogenesis. In this session, we will read about menstrual cycle and its different phases. That is follicular phase, menstrual phase, ovulatory phase, and luteal phase. First of all, we will learn about menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is the reproductive cycle in the female primates like monkeys, apes, including human beings. In human females, menstrual cycle is repeated at an average interval of about 28 or 29 days. The first menstruation begins at puberty and is called as menarche. The menstrual cycle is divided into 4 phases. That is menstrual, follicular, ovulatory and luteal phase. So, let us see what are the events occurring during all these phases. This is the figure showing 28 days of reproductive cycle, that is menstrual cycle. From 1st to 28 days it is shown here about the various phases. First of all, we will read about menstrual phase. Menstrual phase lasts for about 3 to 5 days and extends from 1st to 5th day of menstrual cycle. The menstrual flow results due to breakdown of endometrial lining of the uterus and its blood vessels, which forms liquid that comes out through the vagina in the form of bleeding. When fertilization of ovum does not take place, the corpus luteum starts degenerating. The level of progesterone also starts degenerating. This results in breaking of endometrium layer that causes discharge of blood from the vaginal orifice. Menstruation is often called as funeral of unfertilized egg. This figure also indicates about the various phases of menstrual cycle, and it also indicates about the level of hormones in various phases. Now, next phase of menstruation cycle is follicular phase. This phase is from 6 to 13 day of menstrual cycle. During this phase, the primary follicles in the ovary grow to become a fully mature Graafian follicle. Simultaneously, the endometrium of uterine wall regenerates through proliferation. That is why this follicular phase is also called as proliferative phase. These changes in the ovary and uterus are induced by changes in the levels of pituitary and ovarian hormone. The secretion of luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, which is also called as LH or FSH, increases gradually during the follicular phase. So, which hormone increases during the follicular phase? Luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. These hormones stimulate follicular development and secretion of estrogens by growing follicles. Both LH and FSH, that is both luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, attains a peak level in the middle of cycle, that is about 14th day. So the endometrium becomes thick, more vascular and more glandular, and also the lining of fallopian tube is thickened, and the ciliary movement is also increased. In this figure, it is shown that the level of luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone attains a peak level in the middle of the cycle. Next phase of menstruation cycle is ovulatory phase. It is the release of egg or ovum into the fallopian tube, that is called ovulation, because the egg is to be fertilized here. So that is why it has to be released into the fallopian tube. It occurs after about 14 days. The egg at this time is in secondary oocyte stage with the second meiotic division in progress. The pituitary gland secretes a hormone, luteinizing hormone, at a maximum level, that is called LH surge, which is induces rupture of Graafian follicles and thereby the release of ovum. In the figure showing the rupture of follicle to release secondary oocyte. Last phase of menstrual cycle is luteal phase. This phase is also called as secretory phase or the post-ovulatory phase. It lasts for about 12 to 14 days and extend from 15 to 28 days of the menstrual cycle. In this phase, there is transformation of Graafian follicle into corpus luteum, which secretes large amount of progesterone. Why? Because progesterone is essential for maintenance of endometrium during pregnancy. There is also decrease in the level of FSH and LH. So in the luteal phase, which hormone increases? That is progesterone. And which hormone decreases? That is follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. This is the figure showing all phases of menstrual cycle. Now let us summarize the average duration of all the phases of menstrual cycle. First, menstrual phase from day 1 to 5, follicular phase from day 6 to 13, ovulatory phase day 14, and luteal phase 15 to 28. This is the figure which clearly show about the tentative duration of various phases. This is the average phases, average duration of phases. Thanks and have a nice day.